Hi there and welcome back. The second workflow we're going to use is a script to video. And this is very different from the YouTube explainer video, because this one relies more on the script that you give it. It's going to decide on the duration of the video based on the script you've given it. And it's going to try to manage itself to create a video for us that is very much in line with the script we've given. So let's go again with our script. Let me paste it here, a pre-created script. Like I said to you, I'm going to show you how I generated this script. And I'm going to say, yeah, okay, listen to, I'm going to put in there, okay, we'll do that. I'm not going to put it here. We'll do that when we edit. So I'll show you how to edit this one as well. All right, let's take a look and let's tell it, it's asking for the voice. Okay, this time I want to use a male and I want to use an clear American voice. I'm going to tell it that I want happy music to accompany this particular video. And then I'm going to continue. Right, let's go. So I'm going to tell it to generate. And it should do that easily. It's showing me exactly what I've written. And I'm going to say, go for it. So it's analyzing. Then it's going to think. And then it's going to produce the video after it has finished thinking. So what I'll do is to come back when it gets to the next part of the video. I don't want you to be hanging around here because I really don't know how long the video would be, because the duration of the video would determine how much work the AI has to do to prepare and to make sure it delivers great result. Now, the first interesting thing is it has changed the title, which means that it kind of knows what it's doing. All right. So let's say I want to talk to business owners this time, and I want it to be professional, and I'm going to go for Facebook video. Okay. Then I'm going to tell it to continue. Like I've said to you before, the way it renders the video depends on the duration, obviously, but also I noticed once it gets to 20 minutes or 20%, it gets a lot faster to complete. So let's wait and I'll come back when the video is done. Okay, welcome back. It's done it. And again, if you want to change anything, if you want to edit, you go over here, you click on the video you want to edit, you insert in the search the kind of video you want. Let's just put, this time, let's put professional look, and let's see what it does. And let's see what kind of video it would bring up for us. And when that video comes, okay, I like this professional look. I'm going to click on that, and that's going to go up there. And then I'm going to make another change. It's the first time I'm making two changes. I'm going to click this one. Yeah, so it's done. I'm going to come down and say apply changes. It's going to apply those changes. Like I said to you before, whenever you change a video, it's faster than when you change the script. So we're going to go in again and tell it to change the script. This time, I'm going to click on edit script. I'm going to say, okay, that's the voiceover. Will it actually say voiceover, or will it just, okay, I don't want it to say voiceover, so I'm going to remove that. I'm going to go down and see whether it's made any errors like that. It hasn't. I think that's the only one. Starting a business, let's nail down your financial projections with the 3 practical strategies. By Bumi Token. Let's say that there. Okay. Boom. All right. We're going to apply those changes, and then we would see how the video plays out. All right. Let's watch it now. Overcoming financial planning challenges. Starting a business? Let's nail down your financial projections with 3 practical strategies by Bumi Tokan. First up, utilize real data. Gather financial insights from your proof of concept, MVP, or any initial sales. This actual data provides a solid foundation for projecting future earnings and costs, making your financial plans more credible and grounded. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next workflow.